everyone! Today, I'll show you how to draw a delicious burger in a refreshing cold drink glass. So let's get started. Start by drawing a slightly curved horizontal line. From each end of this line, draw two curved lines going downwards, meeting at the center to form a semicircle. Below the top bun, draw another slightly curved horizontal line. Add a smaller semicircle underneath this line to complete the bottom bun. Below the lettuce, draw a slightly curved oval to represent a slice of tomato. Draw a rectangle with wavy edges below the tomato for the cheese slice. Underneath the cheese, draw a slightly irregular oval for the burger patty. Sesame seeds on the top bun by drawing small ovals. Draw two vertical lines parallel to each other for the sides of the glass. Connect the two lines at the bottom with a curved line. Draw a slightly curved horizontal line at the top to close the glass. Add another curved line inside the top to represent the rim of the glass. Orange color. Color.
Swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long.
Red color.
Doors on the bus stay open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus stay open and shut.
Yellow color.
Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Bell on the bus.
Brown color.
Ding, ding, all day long. People in the bus go
Yellow color.
up and down, up and down. People in the bus go up and down all day long. Wheels in the bus go round and round,
Orange color.
round, round and round. Wheels in the bus go round and round all day long, all day long,
Black color.
long.
And there you have it. You've just drawn a tasty burger and a cold drink glass. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Until next, goodbye.